AWS Amplify is a set of tools that bring the power of AWS to front-end web and mobile developers. With Amplify, you can enable data storage, authentication, file storage, and hosting. You can use its front-end libraries, hosting, and back-end resource provisioning a la carte in an existing app, or use them all together in a new one for a seamless end-to-end experience. We're now announcing Amplify Studio, which makes it simple to work with AWS regardless of your cloud experience. You'll find you can quickly build feature-rich, cloud-connected apps that can scale and have security built in. To show you what Studio can do, let's put together a quick web app. Within Amplify Studio, I created a very simplified version of the product hunt data model to correspond with our product hunt launch. We have the image, title, description, the link, and then the upvotes, and you can choose your different data types for each field. You can also add relationships and more models as your application grows. In addition to data, you can also add authentication and storage directly through Studio. Within the content tab, you can manage your data for your application, so I created a record for Amplify Studio. Now I'll go to Figma, which is a popular design software, and I'll create a UI component. Then within Amplify Studio, you can configure your components to show your data directly. I can also add events such as an orange background that happens whenever I mouse over the component. I can do similar things with authentication if I have that enabled as well. I can also create collections of data and enable search, pagination, filtering, and conditions directly within Studio. Once you're ready, you can clone down your components and use them directly within your own code. You'll see that these React components are similar to what a human would write, and they are overridable. So if I wanted to change any of the styling directly within my own code, I could do that. This isn't just a toy or a prototyping tool. Behind the scenes, this is using Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Cognito, and AWS Lambda. So this will scale as you do. If you want to go further than what Amplify offers, you can use CDK to integrate into the full AWS ecosystem and build your own deployment pipelines. If at any point you need to change your designs, you can do so directly within Figma, then re-import into Studio and integrate into your own application. With Amplify Studio, you can quickly go from a designer's vision to a full stack AWS connected application that can scale as your business does.